Hello everyone, my name is Eduardo Rojas. I am 35 years old. I am studying electronic engineering at UNAD. I live in Bogota. I am security guard. I like reading, listening to music, and riding bicycle. I don't like cooking. In this video, I am talking you about Bogota's Plaza de Bolívar. This is Bogota's Plaza de Bolívar. It is located at city's downtown. Initially, it was built in order to use it a marketplace, a center for circus shows, and a place for bullfighting. Years later, and to this day, it has been used as a center for political, cultural, and religious meetings. This place is important because it's the main access of the culture and history of Bogota. In 1904, it was declared national monument. Around it, there are some of the main public and religious buildings of the city. At present, there is a statue of the Liberator Simon Bolivar, work of the Italian sculptor Cernerani. Today this place is travelled on foot or by bicycle and hasn't stopped being a place for political, cultural, social and religious meetings. It also remains the meeting point of friends, students, merchants and artists. Currently, there are protests, peasant fairs, and even concerts. I invite you go this national monument because it's a very beautiful site full of history, a place where national and foreign tourists visit frequently. Goodbye.